Conditions plus cleanses. Restores curls' natural balance, reduces breakage and improves elasticity. Key ingredients: keratin, plum seed oil, olive oil. Salon Formula. SoCozy has over 20 years of experience and expertise about kids' hair. No nasty ingredients, free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, formaldehyde, synthetic colors or dyes, propylene glycol, gluten, wheat, and nuts. No parabens, sulfates, phthalate, formaldehyde, synthetic color, propylene glycol. Free of gluten, wheat and nuts. Hydrolyzed keratin, protects the hair, leaving a protective barrier on the hair shaft. Helps increase hair strength and minimize damage caused over time. Watermelon seed oil, gives hair a natural shine and helps soothe an itchy scalp. Plum seed oil, seals and bonds damaged cuticles. Gives hair a silky feel and increase elasticity to reduce breakage. Cozy Friedman is the founder of Cozy's Cuts for Kids Salons in NYC and a national children's haircare expert. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. My friend had this on her daughter's 2-year B-Day registry. I bought it for her and when they used it she told me she loved it so much and her daughter's hair looked and felt amazing.